Alright, I just took a break there because stealing my voice for our main race for today, the Dino Moto IRUB Underbone Open Class. Whew. But a good race by Alfonso Dakigan. Okay, so we have a total of 15 riders. On pole, we have none other than Dustin Esguerra of Faito Coso Dino 69 Racing Team, ang ating latest international podium finisher last few weeks ago in Thailand, and is going to Taiwan in after 4 days. Followed by his teammate Robert Ryan Espiritu. Ayan po nakikita nyo po ang pinadala natin sa Thailand at ipadadala sa Taiwan are our two fastest riders here so far. RR Espiritu, followed by our two ARRC rider. Third, John Emerson Engito of 4S1M Evo Yamaha, and Kerwin Chang of KC99 4S1M Sumulong. So, 4 international riders na sa top 4 po ng ating Open Underbone GP. Woo! What an exciting race. 5th is Ruel Rubin of Dutch Garage, and 6th is Jacob Sablaya of Honda Project M Kobe Racing Team. 7th in the Underbone SP class and pole. Okay, 7 on the grid is Mark Dustin Oliveros of CRA Polytron, followed by Ruben Mansibang of Piesa Moto and Joshua Ancheta of CRA Sec Moto Supply Aspiras. Then Heruico de la Cruz of CRA 4D Promotor Racing. 11th is Prince Hurley Abadier of Dodge Garage. So again, on pole position in the SP class is none other Dodge Garage. Sorry about that. Followed by Neddy Duran of Dodge Garage. And third is Paralejas of Team Faito Coso DE69 Racing Team. Then Sean Espidilla, Rain Del Mundo of 4S1 Dodge Garage, and Kerwin Berganya of TW Project FI. So we have a big grid of 17 riders on the grid. Wag po kayong kukurap. Eto na po. Again, like I said, the top 2 riders on pole position. Dustin Esguerra, ang nagdala po ng karangalan sa Pilipinas 3 weeks ago sa Thailand. Siya po ay nakipagbakbakan sa mga Team India, Team Taiwan, Team Chinese Taipei 3 weeks ago, at lalaban po ulit next week. Second on the grid is ang kanyang teammate sa ACRR, Robert Ryan Espiritu of CRA Super RR Racing Team. So yan pa, nakita nyo po ang ating pinadala sa international, ang 2 fastest riders so far sa ating nationals. That's Team Dodge Garage. Ito po yung SP group. Pakalaki po, 11 riders. Roger Solis. We have Roger Solis in pole. Again, our Open Underbone grid, 17 riders including 4 international riders. So thank you very much to our PFT teams and of course our non-PFT teams joining us here. Round 5 of the Moto R Championships. So ito po ay sa preview of IRGP. So 17 riders for IRGP is a very healthy grid. So, not lacking in star quality. Again, our pole position leader is international podium winner Dustin Esguerra, fresh from his podium finish from Thailand, followed by Robert Espiritu, who set the fastest lap in one of the sessions in Thailand. And of course, our Japan ARRC winner, J.E. Engito of Forest 1 and Evo Yamaha in third place. And of course, Kerwin Chang campaigning in the TVS, who proved his speed earlier today by winning the first two Class 2 heart-pounding race in the Moto IR and the Underbone Limited race. Yeah. And then fifth is Dodge Garage Roel Rubin, and the Super Sports winner 2 races ago, Jacob Sablaya of Honda Project M Kobe Racing Team. Alright, here goes Dustin Esguerra, RR Espiritu, J. Ingito, Kerwin Chang, Roel Rubin of Dodge Garage, and Jacob Sablaya. There goes his teammate of Sharp Honda team, showing support kay the Honda team riders, which is in good spirits today because their sponsor is here watching them today. Thank you very much. Andito pa rin po sila. You can see them on the rooftop. 1 minute to go. This is scheduled for 10 laps. 10 laps po. Wag po kayong kukurap. Let's hope po na I have enough voice to give you the lap by lap action. Excited. Huwag po kayong kukurap. Ito po ang one of the exciting race for today. 17 of our top riders. There go. There are warm-up lap pa lang po ito. Warm-up lap pa lang po. Don't worry. Warm-up lap pa lang po. Again, 4 international riders are here. The top 4. So, tingnan po natin ang laban. Also, dito po nakasalalay din ang points ng NAMSA Philippine National Rider of the Year. So far po, ang naglalaban dito is Kerwin Chang and J.E. Ingito. Ito po ang coveted Philippine National Rider of the Year Award. Yan. Kukuha po yan sa Open Underbone class, the premier class of Philippine motorcycle racing as dictated by the FIM Asia. Kasi po ang Open Underbone po ang present sa Indonesia, sa Thailand, no? So that's why in the ACRR it's also either scooter or underbone. Mukhang nakisama po ang panahon. It's already clearing. So I hope the fans are all still here. Again, thank all our sponsors, Motul, Dino Motorcycle Oil, FDR, Yamaha Philippines, and Makita Power Tools. So again, they are coming back to their grid slot, after which they will take the start. Round 5 of the Motul Moto IR Championship. 17 riders. On pole, Esguerra, then Espiritu, then Ingito, Kerwin Chang, Roel Rubin, Jacob Sablaya, Roger Solis. Star-studded po ang ating Open Underbone class. Here we go. It's a long run by our Marshall to get to the end of this 17 rider grid. Ayan po, maraming fans. Puno ng grid ang ating race. Thank you very much. Here we go. Watch for the red light. Oh, what a good start. Oh, everybody lifting their wheel, but I think it's RR Espiritu taking the whole shot. Yes, RR Espiritu, but Dustin Esguerra is quickly on the inside. Oh my God, it's 3 abreast going to the second corner. Now it's 4 abreast. Let's see who will come out on top. It's still Esguerra, followed by Ingito, RR Espiritu. On the outside is Kerwin Chang, and immediately Jacob Sablaya is there. So the top 5 riders now, or even top 6, because Robel Rubin is not far behind. Woo! And Roger Solis. So, it's Esguerra against Ingito, Kerwin Chang. Immediately, Ingito on the inside of Esguerra. Forest 1M. And again, another Kerwin Chang on the inside of Esguerra. Medyo na doble ang gulat ni Dustin doon by the 4S1M teammates Ingito and Kerwin Chang. Again, hindi po ito laban po si Kerwin Chang dito at Ingito, not only for the Moto IR Championship but the 2023 Philippine NAMSA National Rider of the Year Award. Here we go, top 5 riders, top 5 best riders of the Philippines: Ingito, Chang, Esguerra, Espiritu, Sablaya, Rubin, and Solis. Paralejas has moved up to 7th and fastest SP rider. Wow. 10 laps race. Wag po kayong kukurap. Even ang mga tao po sa Tarlac Hill, mga nakatayo po sila ngayon lahat. Ayan po. Kerwin Chang on the inside now. Andun po agad si Dustin. At andun din si RR. Sino po dito? Tignan natin. Meanwhile, ang nag-iisang Honda, andyan po, pang-5. Hindi siya nag-give up. Hinahabol pilit ang 4 na Yamaha Sniper. Ang 4 na Yamaha Sniper from 4 different PFT teams. Ingito from 4S1M. Chang from KC99. Esguerra from Faito Coso. And RR Espiritu from CRA. And the 5th PFT team of Project M Honda is in 5th. So it's battle for second is only what? 0.15 second. Ito na sila. It's still Ingito, Chang, Esguerra, Espiritu still in 4th. Wow, the top 4 riders separated by less than half of a second. Yan, nakita nyo po. Ingito to Espiritu, less than half a second lang ang gap. In fact, wala halos lead. Dikit-dikit lang sila. 1 miss shift, 1 overbreak, 1 overcook corner. Lusot ang 3. So, ang lamang ni JE last time, only 0.049 seconds over Kerwin Chang. It's red, white, and blue versus blue, silver versus green. And the red bike is not far away in 5th. Here we go. Woo! Just 3 laps gone and dikit-dikit pa po. Wala pong nakakalayo sa 4 na rider na to. Mukhang si Jacob naiiwan na. Pero tignan natin, si Jacob kanina habang tumatagal ang karera, bumibilis. Maybe it has something to do with the tires or it has something to do with his strategy. Si Dustin trying to get second place from Kerwin Chang on the outside. But, oh my God, Dustin Esguerra goes down. Dustin Esguerra goes down. Na-force po siya sa outside because Kerwin Chang was sandwiched between Espiritu and Esguerra. Dustin Esguerra went down. Let's see if Dustin Esguerra is okay, but ganyan po katindi ang labanan. Dustin Esguerra was the recipient of the short end of the stick in that corner. He took a risk, but so is Espiritu and Kerwin Chang. So, 1 down. There are just 3 remaining battling for the lead. Ingito, Chang, and Espiritu. There goes Espiritu again. Trying to go ahead of Kerwin Chang. Nope. Kerwin Chang managed to defend. Okay, Ingito now with just 4 laps gone is about to overlap some riders. Here you go, the first overlapper. Blue flag, yes, no problem. Let's see if Dustin Esguerra was able to remount. Yeah, Dustin Esguerra is able to remount. And he's up to 5th place. So he's still going and he's up to 5th place. Although almost 7 seconds down from Inguito this time. But it's still 6 laps to go. Meanwhile, the battle for first is only half a second between Inguito and Chang. 4S1M teammates. But Espiritu has been sandwiched. Nakalampas na po si Espiritu kay Kerwin Chang. It's now Inguito over Espiritu. So, from the start, it has been ACRR versus ARRC. And right now, the ARRC riders have the advantage because Espiritu, Team ACRR, is down to 1 rider because si Esguerra crashed kanina. But is now remounted and is circulating in 5th place. He's only now down by 5 seconds. Mukhang humahabol si Dustin. With only half lap to go. Half right. And Espiritu is now on the lead. ACRR rider Espiritu in the lead. Now ahead of ARRC rider Inguito, Forest 1M. And Kerwin Chang, but is Inguito. May inside din. Pero yan po, again, Espiritu trying to keep the lead para po itong MotoGP. And ayan si Inguito almost touching. Oh! No. It's still Espiritu. Woo! My God. Again, Team ACRR leading the 2 Team ARRC riders in this international battle here at the Dino Moto2 Underbone Open Class of Inguito trying really hard, lifting the front wheel. Wow, yan po, nakatayo na po ang mga tao. Excited po sila in this international battle between our ACRR riders and ARRC riders. Lahat po sila nagre-represent sa Philippines outside the country, but here they're all battling for their team's glory. Yan po, so hindi po tayo mapapahiya, kaya po hindi tayo napapahiya sa ibang bansa. Look at the quality of our racers that we're sending outside. Yan po. Wow. Espiritu, this is a good practice for him because in 4 days time, he will fly to Taiwan. And then ang ating namang Inguito at Kerwin Chang, they will go to Mandalika to race for ARRC. Still, it's Inguito. Nagkamali si Espiritu, went wide immediately, pinasok agad ni Inguito. So ganun katindi. Ayan, konting opening lang, sasaksak ang mga rider. Meanwhile, Esguerra is only 4.5 seconds from 6 seconds. Kanina 4.5 na lang. Talagang sayang at nag-crash si Esguerra. I think if he did not crash, nandito siya. Ayan po, nakita niyo po ang mga tao nakatayo. Lahat nakatayo ngayon sa ganda ng laban. Woo! 3 laps to go. Will it be Espiritu? Will it be Inguito? Will it be ARRC rider? Or will it be Team ACRR taking the win here in Tarlac? Round 5 of the Moto2 Championships. Philippine National Road Race Action by the FIM Nansa and USRA. Ayan po, medyo tumututok na ulit si Espiritu. So again, these are international riders. Espiritu is bound for Taiwan in 4 days time, while Inguito and Kerwin Chang, who sits in 3rd, is bound for Mandalika to represent the Philippines in TVS Racing. Wow, kaya po tayo hindi napapahiya pag lumalabas itong ating mga riders. Ang gagaling po ng kanilang nagiging practice dito sa atin sa Nationals. Each one pushing each other. And at the end of the day, paglabas nila, they all benefit from it. Again, this is from start to finish. Para tayong Moto3, sayang lang at nag-crash si Dustin. But right now, Dustin Esguerra is just 3.9 seconds away. Ayan po, nakatayo po lahat ng tao ngayon dito sa Tarlac Circuit Hill all over. Hindi lang po Team Akasha ngayon. Ayan po si Espiritu. Wow! Akala ko nakapasok na ang kanyang inside wheel. Eto na. Espiritu on the outside. Will try to outbreak Inguito. But no, Inguito dito kanina bumagsak si Dustin because na-sandwich siya. Kerwin Chang mukhang naiiwan pero pumipilit. Let's see. Remember si Kerwin Chang. Last corner. Bumubulusok sa start-finish line. At baka mangyari din to ngayon. Meanwhile, Dustin Esguerra, medyo nagkamali si Dustin. He's up to he's down by 11 seconds again. So it's now down to these 3 people. Whether it's Ingito, Espiritu, or Kerwin Chang. Team ARRC, Team ACRR, sino sa kaya? 2 laps to go. Ingito versus Espiritu, looks like it because medyo lumalayo na po si Kerwin Chang. So it's Ingito, Forest 1M versus Espiritu of CRA Super RR. Ito na po, dito magta-try sa labas si RR. Hindi, susubok na natin pumasok. Pumasok sa inside, yes! Yes, nasaksak sa inside. Tignan natin kung mailalabas. No, magaling si Jay. Alam ni Jay ang linya dyan. Jay emerged in the lead, no? Naibalik niya agad sa inside racing line ng kanyang bike. So, na-block niya si RR. Pero nakita niyo naman po, hindi sila bumabagal. There goes our lappers. Well behaved po ang ating mga lappers. Wala pa nagiging problema ang ating mga leaders in this 17-lap rider grid. There goes our fans and team members. Jay Ingito, ayan, medyo dumidikit na uli si Kerwin Chang. Meanwhile, Sablaya is up to 4th place and Esguerra is in 5th place. Yan na po. This is the last lap. This is the last lap. Going to the checkered flag. Ingito's trying to wheelie. Maximum power na. Last corner. Can Espiritu take it? No. It's Ingito. Woo! John Emerson Ingito, Forest 1M Dodge Garage, winning over Robert Ryan Espiritu of Team CRA Super RR. Wow! Ingito, back-to-back wins after winning. Wow. Napagod ako dun meanwhile, Kerwin Chang is in 3rd. And Sablaya finishes 4th, while Dustin Esguerra still managed to finish 5th. The winner of your SP class is Roger Solis, followed by Paralejas and Neddy Duran. Wow. What a great race. Diyan, nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Comment lang kayo kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating race. So, today, it's Team ARRC ang nagwagi over our Team ACRR riders. So, good luck din sa kanilang 4, no? So, Dustin and RR will fly to Taiwan for the